Hey guys, this is Miss Crafty 2015. I just wanted to thank you all first off for following this video, and I hope that you have fun. If you have fun this video like I do. In this video, I just want to go over the basics of Cricut Design Space and the features that it offers. If you are using one of the earlier versions, Expression 2, the Expression, Cricut Mini, Cricut Create, and even the Imagine, you need to be using Cricut Craft Room instead of Design Space Explorer. The Design Space is only for the Explorer machine. It does not work with any of the other machines. So in this video, I want to go over, for those of you who are brand new and wish to start, let's go over some basics. So what you want to do first is you want to open up your browser and you want to go to cricut.com/design and it will bring you to this page. Make sure that you are logged into your Cricut account and it will show up here. Excuse me, if you are or you're not. If you click on the drop down menu, you'll see account details, cartridge linking, firmware update if you need to update your firmware. Calibration is for the print and cut feature, which is a video all itself, and log out if you need to log out. When you come to the landing page, you will see all the Make It Now projects, and this usually gets updated pretty much weekly. Right now you can see all the Valentine Make It Now projects. These are very handy if you want a quick project or you need a quick gift for somebody. These are excellent projects to do, and they're very easy to do, step by step. On here on the top, we have the File button. If you click on the File button, you will see that you can create a new project or open up a project you've already created. For now, I'm just going to click on the Create New Project, and it will bring up the Design Space canvas. So essentially, this is where you're going to do all your planning for your mat. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should have, again, your account name up here. Below that, you have Insert Images. This is where all your subscription images, if you have them, all your cartridges are linked here, and any of the pretty much all the cartridges that they have out already will be on here. If you have a subscription, I would suggest, and you don't have many cartridges, this would probably be the better deal for you, as you can get access to almost 25,000 images. Upload image, this is where you're going to upload any clip art, JPEG, any of your SVG files are going to come in here and they're going to get uploaded to their own little cloud here. If you're going to add a text box to your design, this is what you're going to click, and if you have a canvas, a predetermined size, and you want to size your images according to that size, this is where you would go. Zoom button to zoom in and out, and the help button if you need any help. Over here on the top of there, you have again the File button. If you click on this, we have the Projects button that is lit up, and it will take you back to the Make It Now projects. You have the Save button, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, select all, arrange, at the Go button. Over here we have the Edit tab, the Layers tab, Sync, and the Canvas tab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in an image. And the great thing about Design Space is that you really don't have any limitations. So here's my image, here's my heart image right here. And let me go back here for a second. When you insert an image, you have the heart button, or you have the search button here for you to search for a specific image, or it'll pull up all the images related to that. On this drop down box here, you're going to have all images, all image sets. This will group it by cartridge, your images, and this is all the images you're subscribed to, all that you purchased, all that and all that you've purchased. Your image sets, this will list all the cartridges that you have linked to your account, and when you search, it'll bring this up. When you go add an image, if you hover over it, it'll zoom it in and it'll tell you the image set that it's from. It will tell you the image number, and it will tell you whether you're subscribed to it or not. This green check mark, and when you click on it, it'll bring it down here to the end, and it'll show you that this is what it's going to add to the cart. So if you see it here, it means you've selected it already and that you can add it to the mat. So I'm going to press cancel since I've already done this. Now, as you can see, you have the size handles. You can resize them any size you want to. And as soon as you add an image, you have the layers tab pop up. And over here you can see all the different layers that you have. For this image, we have 2 layers. This eye right here, it will hide the layers that you don't want to see. And the layers that you don't have hidden will cut, and those that are hidden will not cut. So as you can see, we have the option to slice, weld, flatten, attach, contour, excuse me. And on the bottom you have the group, ungroup, duplicate, and the delete button. In the edit tab, you have the size of the object, which is shown here. You can rotate the object 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270, and back to 0. Here's where you can flip the image, so you can flip it 90 degrees or you can do it upside down. And the position here is going to tell you the ruling markings on where it appears on the mat. On this tab right here, this is the sync tab, and I will do another tutorial video on this. If you have 2 small images and you don't want to waste an entire mat, you can always drag them together and they will cut on the same mat, so you don't have 2 different mats. When you press the go button, this is the go button right here, it'll bring up both layers. It'll show the mat screen. How many projects do you wish to make? Now in CCR and on the expression, and I believe the expression 2, you can always put fit to page, and it will just fill the whole page, or it'll tell you to fill page and it'll just fill how many you have on there. In Design Space, we don't have the fill page, but we do have how many projects do you want to make. So over here you would set how many projects you want to make, and it will fill the mat up with the images that you told it to do, and it'll keep going from there. On the bottom you can set the mat size, so 12 by 12 and 12 by 24. If you are doing t-shirts or iron-on, this is the button you want to check. You always want to check mirror image. And when you are done, you're going to press go. In my next tutorial video, I will be doing some basic, continuing with back to basics, and we will be looking at the welding function and then the slice feature as well. And then we'll make a small little project using both features. Thank you for watching. Please follow my blog, and which has the link below, and also please visit my Facebook page, which also has all my creations on there that I have done. Thank you, and thanks for watching.